Welcome back. Today's book is $1 Million Weekend, The Surprisingly Simple Way to Launch a Seven-Figure Business in 48 Hours by Noah Kagan. It is an instant New York best-time seller, a lively read that provides a practical step-by-step guide to founding a business. Best lines from the book are, most people overthink first, act later. Every successful entrepreneur, act first, figure it out later. This quote emphasizes the importance of taking action over excessive planning. Kagan begins by stressing the importance of speed in the modern business landscape. He argues that the traditional approach to business planning and development often leads to unnecessary delays and missed opportunities. Instead, he advocates for a rapid, execution-focused strategy that enables entrepreneurs to test, validate, and launch their ideas in a matter of hours. In this, step 1 is identifying a profitable niche. The first step in Kagan's process is identifying a profitable niche. He emphasizes the need to find a specific problem that a particular group of people is facing and are willing to pay to solve. For example, rather than starting a broad-based fitness program, one could focus on creating a fitness regimen tailored for new mothers who want to get back in shape post-pregnancy. Kagan suggests using tools like keyword research, online forums, and social media trends to pinpoint high-demand niches. Step 2. Crafting a compelling offer. Once a niche is identified, Kagan explains how to craft a compelling offer that resonates with the target audience. He outlines the key components of an irresistible offer: clarity, urgency, and value. For instance, if you are launching a new skincare product, your offer could include a limited-time discount, a free sample, and a money-back guarantee. This not only attracts customers, but also builds trust and reduces perceived risk. Step 3. Building a minimum viable product. Kagan advocates for creating a minimum viable product to quickly test the market. Minimum viable product is a simplified version of your product or service, which allows you to gather feedback from early users. He provides examples such as launching a landing page to gauge interest or creating a basic version of a software tool to test its functionality. The goal is to validate the idea with minimal investment before scaling up. Step 4. Setting up a lean sales funnel. A lean sales funnel is essential for converting prospects into paying customers. Kagan details how to set up a simple yet effective funnel, which includes a landing page, an email capture form, and a sequence of follow-up emails. He highlights the importance of optimizing each element for maximum conversion. For example, your landing page should have a clear headline, persuasive copy, and a strong call to action that guides visitors toward making a purchase. Step 5. Launching and marketing your product. Kagan emphasizes the importance of a strong launch strategy. He advises entrepreneurs to use a combination of paid advertising, social media marketing, and influencer partnerships to create buzz around their product. For instance, leveraging Facebook ads and Instagram influencers can drive traffic to your landing page and generate initial sales. He also recommends reaching out to your personal network for early support and feedback. Next is the case study, the coffee subscription service. To illustrate his method, Kagan includes a case study of a coffee subscription service. The entrepreneur, Mike, identifies a niche market of coffee enthusiasts looking for a convenient way to try new blends. Mike crafts a compelling offer that includes a variety of premium coffees delivered monthly, with a satisfaction guarantee. He sets up a lean sales funnel with a landing page and email sequence and uses targeted Facebook ads to drive traffic. Within 48 hours, Mike successfully launches his subscription service and acquires his first 100 customers. Step 6. Analyzing results and scaling. After the initial launch, Kagan discusses the importance of analyzing results and making data-driven decisions. He explains how to track key performance indicators, such as conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and lifetime value. By analyzing this data, entrepreneurs can identify areas for improvement and scale their business effectively. For example, if a particular ad campaign is performing well, you can increase the budget to drive more traffic and sales. Kagan concludes by reinforcing the importance of a proactive and resilient mindset. He encourages readers to embrace failure as a learning opportunity and to continuously iterate on their business model. The key to success, according to Kagan, is to keep testing, learning, and optimizing. By adopting this mindset, anyone can achieve rapid business growth and potentially reach the coveted 7-figure mark. That was all for today. Hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.